Can a beadlock wheel be street legal? The Recon Pro from Icon Alloys can, and I'm going to tell you why in just a moment. Hey, Rob here for QuadraTech, and today we're taking a look at the Recon Pro and going over some of the great features packed into this wheel that make it perfect for everything from your daily driver, weekend warrior, and even your hardcore off-road dedicated trail rig. Yes, it does have some beadlock technology packed into this wheel, but not in the traditional sense, and we're going to come back to that in just a moment. Now, for starters, the Icon Recon Pro wheel is available in your choice of two great finishes. You have the satin black or this great charcoal gray finish. The wheel is available in a 17 by 8.5 inch size, which means it's going to be perfect for running an oversized tire with 4.5 inches of back spacing. As you can see, we've got a set of 37 1250 Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tires wrapped around a set of Recon Pros on the Wrangler here in the shop behind me. This wheel is also a very strong and lightweight wheel, giving you a 3,200 pound load capacity. You're going to have no problem bringing along all the gear you want to carry in and on your Jeep, and it comes in at weighing just 28 pounds. Now that's very impressive considering that most traditional beadlock wheels tend to be very heavy. Now, by reducing that down to a lightweight 28 pounds of unsprung weight on your vehicle, it's going to do things like give you better gas mileage, but it's also going to be a lot easier on all the different components of your vehicle. The Icon Alloys Recon Pro features this great 16-spoke concave design that's sure to look great on just about any Wrangler or Gladiator out there. And if we dive into what makes this a great streetable, DOT-approved legal beadlock wheel, we have to turn the wheel around and take a look right here behind the outer lip of the wheel. And these are Icon Alloys' patented Innerlock technology. Now, it features these hardened alloy bead retention pins that actually get screwed in through the barrel of the wheel behind the bead of the tire. Now, when you look at some of the regulations surrounding what makes a wheel legal for on-road use, it has to be a one-piece wheel. It also cannot fail in such a way that the tire can leave the wheel under normal use. And that's what makes traditional beadlocks not street legal, because that outer bead of the tire is traditionally clamped to the wheel with a beadlock ring. Now, because that ring and those bolts securing the ring are traditionally under constant tension from the rubber tire, well, those bolts can fatigue over time and either loosen or break. When that happens, that wheel ring can separate, allowing that tire to leave that wheel, causing a potentially very dangerous situation. Now, that's just not the case with the patented Innerlock technology found on the Recon Pro, and that's because the wheel features a traditional outer and inner lip of the wheel that's going to retain that tire just like a standard run-of-the-mill wheel. But the difference being with these bead retention pins that get driven in behind that tire, they're going to lock that bead to the outer lip of the wheel, allowing you to run extremely low tire pressures without fear of that tire debeading itself when you maybe impact an obstacle on the trail. These wheels have performed so well, in fact, that they've actually outperformed the testing machines that Icon Alloys put them subjected to. In fact, when it ran all the way down, the tire machine could not successfully debead the tire thanks to the bead retention pins. Now, we've seen this bead retention technology in another wheel from Icon Alloys, the Rebound Pro. What makes the Recon different, however, is the addition of their new Halo wheel protection ring. This 4-piece ring actually bolts to the outer lip of the wheel to protect it from potential trail damage. This ring is made up of 4 high-quality aluminum sections that actually interlock together and then are held in place with a series of screws. The nice feature about this is those screws actually run from the inside into the outer ring of the wheel, saving them from potential damage on the trail. So even when you scuff one of these up, you don't have to worry about damaging that hardware, and then you could simply remove one or more of the damaged pieces and simply replace them to keep your wheels looking fresh and new. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a set of Recon Pro wheels from Icon Alloy in either the satin black or the charcoal finish, you can click that info button to head over to quadratech.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the wheels or any of the technology found in them, you can always do this for me down in the comments section below or by simply heading over to quadratech.com. If you like these videos and you haven't already, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.